What's good, YouTube? Oh my, I keep saying YouTube. What's up, Rose family? It's T. Who? It's T Rose, and I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Today we are going to be reacting to um some more B first. Now we already reacted to the song. The song is called Sailing. This is a One Piece ending. I think the One Piece remake ending. Yeah, one of them. And yeah, but I didn't even know they. I was kind of curious if they had like a music video, and apparently they did. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be reacting to the music video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. ST Rose. Let's hop into it. I will be singing along because I do kind of have that song in my playlist, and I do know the song a little bit. So. Don't mind me, don't die, Joe. I think I reacted to the live version too as well. Dang, forever family. After 3 days, I thought it's yourself. Their outfits, like they have the fits are good. The fits are tough. Fits are tough. I like the bubbles. I like the bubbles. I like how they kind of emphasizing the bubble in the music video it because of number one, One Piece. One Piece did the same. Like I saw the ending like visually, like One Piece visually, and it had the bubbles, in it. Because the arc is a sea fishman island arc, so underwater. Um, Same thing with the other video that they did. Not the live, but there was the one that I originally reacted to. And then same thing with the live. They did that with the live too as well. So I like seeing this. I like seeing this. Don't doubt what you want every time. Selling, selling, really selling. Selling, 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 selling. Dance, dance, dance with me, psycho, won't cherish. Hey, dance, dance, dance with me, psycho, won't cherish. I got it. Nah, see, they're kind of aggressive with this part, with this part right there. That was kind of aggressive. That's interesting. It's kind of weird seeing them dance to this song because it's like I originally reacted to like the visual, like art version, So it's like, damn, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Though. Rock the party. That's good food. Mm, 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 mm. Rock the party. Let's be fools. Uh, 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 uh. Like, we're never giving up. It's time. I suppose I don't know. Hey, hey. Say cheese. I like the visual. I like how the music video is very tough. Standing. Sailing, sailing, what a merry sailing. Come down. Sailing, 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 sailing. Dance, dance, dance with me. Psycho cherries. Somebody does a thing. Dance, dance, dance with me. Psycho no cherish. Ah, this was very beautiful. Very good. It was very good seeing the music video. This song is good. I have this song in my playlist. I have this song in my playlist, bro. This song is good. This song is very, very good. I didn't even know that they did One Piece until I found out that they did One Piece. You know what I'm saying? Till that one video. But this song is very, very good. I like it a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of Sailing by BE:FIRST music video, obviously. And yeah, remember that God is always with you guys. Stay blessed, guys. It's T Rose. Until next time, guys. Bye bye.